Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers with lean ground beef. First, select ground beef that is at least 90% lean. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1/2 inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. Make a small dimple in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging during cooking. Proper patty formation is key to a great burger. Next, season your patties simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Avoid over-seasoning to let the beef flavor shine. Preheat your cooking surface, whether it's a cast iron skillet or a grill, to a medium-high temperature. Cook the patties for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a perfect medium doneness, ensuring a juicy interior. A crucial tip for lean burgers is to never press down on them while they cook. This squeezes out valuable juices, leading to dry burgers. For extra flavor and moisture, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking. After cooking, let the burgers rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping them incredibly juicy. Finally, assemble your perfect lean ground beef burger. Toast your buns for added texture and warmth. Load up with your favorite toppings, such as fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and crisp onions. A good sauce can also elevate the experience. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful, and surprisingly juicy lean beef burger, knowing you've mastered the technique.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.